Hello, each and every one of you, my friends out there. The Dance of Life Dancer is here. And we have an addition to the Dance of Life this year. I dedicated this bird last year. This is Niki, the cancer bird. As I repeat, Niki, the cancer bird. Bird all over the world today. As I dance, this bird comes with me, dedicated to Niki, and you know who you are. And I am the Dance of Life, and me, the Dance of Life, my stuff, and Niki, the cancer bird, will come with me everywhere. For cancer. So, you believe in yourself, my friends. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can get well. Believe that you can take the stage. Believe that you can change the world. Believe that you can overcome the illness, the sadness, everything that you have. You believe in yourself. And what a better place to tell you this than Earth Day. That's what this is, where I'm at right now, my friends. Me, the Dance of Life, Niki, the cancer bird, right here tonight. And we're about to dance to the last song, to the last band. And I want you to get up and I want you to dance. I want you to get up out of the chair. I want you to dance. I want you to believe in yourself. And Niki, the cancer bird, new addition this year to the Dance of Life, which will go with me each and every place I go. Welcome. Welcome, my friends. And have a good life. Thank you. And thank Niki, the cancer bird, for bringing you the Dance of Life as only one in the world can do it. That's me. Thank you and good night.